Are you ready to learn and spell today? What about you, Norman? We're gonna learn our ABCs, we're gonna listen to the sounds, and we're gonna spell a word. Get those listening ears ready and get ready to learn.
It's circle time, come along, join the fun and sing the song. Norman's here, so come and play. Let's start circle time today.
Hi friends, happy Monday. It's Miss Jen and Norman John. We're glad you could join us for circle time today. I hope you're ready to get up and move because it's time for our morning move song. Good morning, friends. It's time to say hello to Norman and start our day. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Wave to Norman, wave to me, wave to all our friends we see. Say hello to everyone. Learning time is so much fun. Let's read and sing, hip hooray, at the learning barn today. Wave to Norman, wave to me, wave to everybody. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning time is such a treat. Norman wants to know who's here today. Can you tell us your name? That's a nice name. We're glad you're here. Let's sing our welcoming song. We're going to sing the name song. First, we're going to sing about Miss Jen. And then we're going to sing about Norman. And then we're going to sing about you. Are you ready? Let's sing. Miss Jen's name is a happy name. Miss Jen's name is always the same. Miss Jen's name is a happy name. We're going to smile when we sing about who? Miss Jen. Now we're going to sing about Norman. Norman's name is a happy name. Norman's name is always the same. Norman's name is a happy name. We're gonna smile when we sing about who? Norman! And what's your name? That's a nice name. Let's sing about you. Your name is a happy name. Your name is always the same. Your name is a happy name. We're gonna smile when we sing about who? You! Let's sing our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it stormy out today? Is it windy? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy out today? What's the weather like where you live today? Today at the Learning Barn, the weather is cloudy. Can you do the cloudy face? Yes, we cover our eyes, don't we? Like the sun is peeking out from the clouds. That is what the weather is like here. What's the weather like at your house today? Is it cloudy, snowy, windy, stormy, rainy, or sunny? Hey, here we are at our calendar where we're going to figure out what today is, right, Norman? But first, why don't we go sing the Days of the Week song so we can remember what our 7 days are. There are 7 days a week. Let's sing about them. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job. Great job singing today. All right, I've got my pointer stick. Sorry, Norman, I just knocked your foot. All right, I got my pointer stick, and now we're going to figure out what is today. So let's just look at the days one more time. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we're going to find our number, which is stop right there. And we're going to go up, 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 up to Monday. So today is the beginning of a new week for us. So new learning, new fun, and it is almost in the middle of the month. So we'll have to keep on counting and see what number we're at. What is the month? July. That's right. Now let's count to this number and see where we're at. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So today is Monday, July 13th. I was going to ask you how you're feeling, Norman, but you don't look happy. You don't look silly, and you don't look surprised. What does Norman look like right now? He's looking a little bit angry, isn't he? Why are you angry or frustrated? My sister knocked my block tower down. You were building and having fun and she came over and knocked it down? Was it an accident? Okay, so that would make me frustrated too. If you were building something and someone just came over and knocked it down, that would make me frustrated if they did it on purpose. Did she say sorry? Did you talk to her after? Maybe you should talk to her and ask her why she did that. Sometimes, maybe she wanted to play with you and was trying to build with you, and it actually was an accident. You didn't think of that? Did you ask her if she wanted to play? Do you think maybe that could have happened? All right, do you think when we're all done learning, you and your sister could go build blocks together and build the biggest block tower ever? That sounds like fun. Oh, I'm glad that sounds like fun, and I'm glad you're not mad anymore. All right, let's keep on learning, and then Norman's gonna go build a block tower, and maybe you could use your imagination, and if you have blocks or anything at home, you could build something really cool too. All right, let's keep learning. Okay, kids, we're gonna sing a song about our head, our shoulders, knees, and toes. Are you ready? All right. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we do it a little bit faster? Okay. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we do it a little bit faster? Okay. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. You guys did great on that song. The alphabet is all around. Letters make a special sound. Now let's learn and sing away the alphabet letters today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So many letters for you and me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Come along and sing with me. U-R-S-T-U-N-D. Letters are as fun as can be. W, X, Y, and Z or Z. Won't you come and sing with me? The alphabet is all around. Letters make a special sound. Now let's learn and sing away with our letter of the day.
The letter T. That's what we're going to learn about. The T says T. The T says T. Every letter makes a sound. The T says T. Now let's see some T words. A truck. A turtle. A tomato. The number 10. And a tiger. Rawr. These are our T words. Let's see if Learning Tablet has some videos on some T words.
Let's learn our alphabet. We're going to start up here with Mr. Pointer. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z or Z. So that is all of our letters of the alphabet. Why don't we practice their sounds? The A says ah, ah, ah. The B says buh, buh, buh. The C says k, k, k. The D says duh, duh, duh. The E says eh, eh, eh. The F says f, f, f. The G says g, g, g. The H says h, h, h. The I says I, I, I. The J says j, j, j. The K says k, k, k. The L says oh, oh, oh. The M says mm. The N says mm. The O says ah, ah, ah. The P says p, p, p. The Q says qua, qua, qua. The R says er. The S says s, s, s. The T says t, t, t. The U says The V says v, v, v. The W says w, w, W. The X says X, X, X. The Y says Y, Y, Y. And the Z says Z, Z, Z. At the learning barn, we read and sing. At the learning barn, let the fun begin. At the learning barn, we laugh and play. At the learning barn, come and join us today. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for joining us at the Learning Barn for Circle Time. And don't forget to follow so you don't miss any Circle Time adventures. Bye, friends!